Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning the area. Oil and dirt stop edges from lifting, so wipe with 70% isopropyl alcohol and let it dry. Next, heat the Rfid sticker for 20 to 30 seconds with a hair dryer on medium. This softens the adhesive. Once the glue relaxes, lift a corner with your fingernail or a thin plastic card. Work slowly so the label doesn't tear. If a corner won't lift, reheat briefly. Patience here prevents residue and damage. You continue by peeling at a steady 45 degrees angle. This reduces tearing and lowers the chance adhesive smears. Keep the hair dryer moving so you don't overheat the surface. If an area resists, reapply heat for 10 to 15 seconds and try again. Use a plastic scraper to support the sticker as you lift. It spreads force evenly so the Rfid layers don't delaminate. Make sure to go slow. Rushing creates bits of liner that are harder to clean later. You finish by removing residue. Apply adhesive remover or isopropyl alcohol and rub with a microfiber cloth until clean. For stubborn glue, use a 3M adhesive remover or a citrus-based solvent. Wait a minute, then wipe. Repeat as needed. If you find embedded Rfid components or damage to the surface, stop, don't pry. A key troubleshooting tip: if the sticker tears into tiny pieces, reheat and work a smaller section at a time, and use a plastic tape lift to pull up remaining fragments.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.